Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So guys, in this particular video I will be sharing with you how to create a YouTube channel. I believe many of us might not really be aware on how this is carried out, so follow through and I will be placing it on the screen where you can see how it is done. So this is going to be a how-to series. I will be sharing with you how to do so many things. Follow through on this particular series, guys, for you will learn a lot. So let's dive right into the video. Back again, guys. So I will be using this phone to show you how to create a YouTube channel, which will be placed on the screen directly. So do well to follow through as we create a new YouTube channel. Bear in mind that everyone has access to a YouTube channel, right? You can, if you don't have a YouTube YouTube application on your phone, do well to download it using the Google Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, do well to download through the iOS Apple Store. So guys, once that is done, once you've downloaded the YouTube application, then you go ahead to click on it. And it's normal that once you just have a YouTube application on your phone, you can watch anything you want to watch on your phone. Yes guys, that doesn't mean you have a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is different from a YouTube account. Everyone has a YouTube account as long as you have a Gmail. So the very first step in creating a YouTube account is a YouTube channel is by creating a Gmail. Yes guys, I don't know if there's anyone here that doesn't have a Gmail account. If you don't have one, then do well to create it by following the steps. 1, go to Play Store or iOS, download Gmail. After downloading Gmail, then you create your Google your Gmail account. You put in your name, your date of birth. Follow through guys, I will be showing you that. So the first step is to download the YouTube application I said. Then after that is done, you click on the YouTube app, right? You click on the YouTube app, then you go to you see that place that underneath this that is showing the U right up. Click on it, then it will show you your home page, right? Click on the home page where it will show you the home page, right? Then you see where you will switch accounts. Click on that switch account and you will see something accounts, just as you're seeing the account. Then by the right hand side you're seeing a plus sign. Click on it because you do not have an account, but if you have a Gmail account already, click on that Gmail account. So follow through guys, you click on the account. So now what we're going to do is to create a new Gmail account. Click on the account which is showing the plus sign, click on it, and after that is done, it will redirect you back to Gmail. This is where you get to create a Gmail account. So you follow through the procedures which you're seeing on the screen. You follow through, is checking the info, then you see where you will be asked to sign in if you have an existing email account, but we don't have, right? We're trying to create a new one. So you click on create account. After creating an account, you click on personal account, personal use. You write your first name, you type in your last name. It is optional guys. After that is done, you go ahead to click on next. Once you click on next, it's rotating, it's trying to get you to the next slide, which is your date of birth, basic information, your date of birth, your birthday. That's where Google gets to send you happy birthday, or your Google calendar and the rest. Then you click on your gender and you go ahead to click on the next, which will now give you access to your username. Create a username as long as Google approves of it. You create the particular username you need. Most times it will show you username taken, which is already showing us here, which is very good, so that in case you come across it, you know it's not a big deal. You keep on choosing, or you go ahead with what Google has approved for you, what they selected for you, right? Then after that you click next, and you create your password. Remember, create a password that you can remember at any time. If you cannot remember it, do well to write it down, in a place where you know you will not forget. After that is done, it's showing you review your account info. Then you click on next, right? The privacy and terms comes in. You go through it. Once you're done, once you've digested it, then you go ahead and click on I agree. There and then your Google account has been created. Yes guys, your Google account has been created. Now you have a Gmail account that you can use for your YouTube channel. So after that, it redirects you back to YouTube itself. Then automatically your account has been created, guys. I believe you can see it on the screen. It's already showing me the name I used in my Gmail. You can as well change it. Just follow through, guys. So this is it. It's now showing as an account. That's why you can see something saying create a channel. So this is the accounts, guys, the list of accounts you have. Then you go ahead and click on that create a channel. Yes guys, we're trying to create a channel here, so not an account, not a general YouTube account, but a channel. So after that, you see how you appear. You click on picture, you click the particular picture you need, whatever picture. If you already have a designated picture, a picture that has been made for you in particular, you use it. If you don't have, you use any picture of your choice. Then after that is done, you after picking a picture, once you're done surfing through your gallery looking for a particular picture to use, then you go ahead, you zoom in, look for whatever size, whatever picture you want us to see, right? You click on it, then you look at the name. Is it something that you like? Are you okay with it? The name that Google gives to you and the one you actually picked. Is it okay for your channel? Is it suitable for your channel? If it's not, you do how to change it. Then you move ahead to handle. The handle now is what people will see you as, like what if you're sharing to users, to viewers or your friends, that's what they'll use to search for. You all know what handle is. Then if that's not okay, you change it, and if it's approved, good and fine. Then that's it. Then you create a channel. That's how it's done, guys. Our channel has been created. Now your profile picture comes in, your name, everything, guys. Everything is done, all set. So your more info, you see the day you created your YouTube channel, and your link is also there. So you can see the account is empty, the channel is empty. You have to post videos, upload pictures, and the rest. So this is me trying to make my channel organized by putting a description. You tell us what your channel is all about, so that anyone that comes across of your channel, they will get to know that this is what this channel is all about. So for a start, I just put welcome to my YouTube channel, as you can see on the screen. So guys, then after that, then you will see that it's already appearing, the description is now showing. Then if you want your privacy, keep all my subscriptions private. If you want your viewers to see the people you're subscribed to, you click on it. If you don't want that, you turn it off. I don't know if you've come across channels where you see their list of subscribers, their subscriptions rather, channels they are subscribed to. That's because they keep all my subscriptions private on. So after that is done, you can update your profile profile picture if you still want. Then the cover picture, this is what like a banner. So there's a particular qualification, there's a particular resolution size for this YouTube banner. So you have to get it right. Go to Canva and you can get that right from there. So after that is done, then you go back, you click you can see that your description, your info is saying your what you've written so far, the description and everything. So guys, that's just basically it. You've created your YouTube channel, you're good to go. What you need to go ahead with now is to create a video. If you haven't created a video for your YouTube channel, then this is now the time to start creating a YouTube channel. Remember, time waits for no one. If you don't start now, it's going to keep on ticking. So after that is done, you can as well share your channel link, just as you saw on the screen. The URL has been copied and you share to friends and families, then they help you subscribe, like that, guys. That's how people get their channel links. So if you have subscriptions, people you subscribe to, it will appear in that subscription tab. Then you go to home, you search for whatever you want to search, your notifications, everything, guys. Just do well to surf through. It's an amazing space. You really have to learn for yourself. So do well to go through everything so you can get familiar with it. So guys, this is it. I really hope you did learn one or two things from it. And thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching through till the end. I will be seeing you guys in my next video, which will be how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. Do also follow through. Kindly click the subscribe button if you haven't, like our video, share, drop a comment if this was helpful, and any other thing you would want me to share with you on this space, and any other thing as well if you think I missed in this video. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you and God bless.